And there's another red one printing on the SVO7 Plus in the house. Apparently it's done. So we'll print another one. Must have just finished. Stuck on there pretty good. I try not to remove the bed plates because a bunch of my printers don't have the locating pins back here. So it's kind of like, I just want to keep the thing on there even. So, you get that one. 3 hours and 9 minutes to print on this bad boy. I probably could make it print faster. So just do it again. So there we go. That's what we're doing.